Does Adobe Acrobat Reader keep crashing every time you open it or while you're working on a PDF? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you several proven fixes to stop Acrobat Reader from crashing and help you get back to viewing your documents without interruptions. Let's jump right in. Start by closing Adobe Acrobat Reader completely. If it's frozen, use Task Manager on Windows or force Quit on Mac to end the process. Then restart your computer and launch Acrobat Reader again. An outdated version can cause stability problems. Open Acrobat Reader if possible, select the Help menu, then choose Check for Updates. Install any available updates before testing the application again. If the crashes continue, use Acrobat Reader's built-in repair feature. Open the Help menu, select Repair Installation, and follow the prompts. This replaces damaged program files without affecting your PDF documents. If Acrobat crashes only when opening certain PDF files, try disabling features like Protected Mode for testing purposes through the Preferences menu. If the crashes stop, the issue may be related to compatibility with a specific file or system configuration. Next, open a different PDF document. So if only one file crashes the application, that file may be damaged. Also check for Windows or macOS updates, since missing system updates can affect application stability. If none of the previous steps solve the issue, uninstall Adobe Acrobat Reader, restart your computer, and install the latest version from Adobe's official website. A clean installation often resolves persistent crashing problems, and that's how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader crashing issues. In most cases, updating the software, repairing the installation, checking your PDF files, or performing a clean reinstall will solve the problem. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and thanks for watching.